If the user hits the Outbound button on the main menu, they are presented with the 5 options on the Outbound Transactions menu. The first of these is the picking transaction. This allows the user to pick against an existing pick list or outbound that has been generated from within LN. Next, we have the Allocate Release transaction. This is used to pick items against an order which has not yet had an outbound advice generated. Then we have the Release Outbound transaction. This transaction can be used to release an outbound advice or to confirm a pick list, depending upon the steps required within LN. Then we have Shipment Handling. This transaction allows an existing shipment to be frozen, unfrozen, or confirmed. It also allows the various documentation required for a shipment to be printed. Finally, we have the Return from Staging transaction. This allows the user to return unshipped material from the stage location to a bulk or pick location.